Somebody had asked me.
Okay, we're heating up here, and looks like it stopped heating. Pressure switch is doing well, but lots of things going on here. We have a leaky here at E61. Valves are probably worn. I got a bit of a leak here at the steam valve. Got a bit of a leak here at the vacuum valve. It's just worn stuff. You can see scale in lots of areas seeping out, especially at the heating element. I'm surprised that thing's still working, man. Okay, but yeah, this is a problem here. Okay, so there's definitely some work to be done on this. I'm gonna replace the LED as I typically do because I just like the look of LED better. I'm gonna silicone wrap the outside there, rebuild the pump. Let's see how this thing works. Got a loose valve here. Fix that up. Begin hot water. No hot water. Whole slew of problems.
A small car accident quickly turned green. Sir, it's okay.
Progress report. All right, this group head was just filthy in here and my neck was getting cranky trying to clean it manually. I said it's gonna take me less time to just remove it and get it in my sonic cleaner. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you get a deeper clean that way. But yeah, here we are here. Drained the boiler, cleared the clog, removed the element. The element was leaking, I think due to it not having a gasket. So for whatever reason, this didn't have a proper gasket. And yeah, it led to huge leaking. Maybe the gasket deteriorated, I'm not sure. Maybe they just used thread locker or something, because yeah, there's some sort of coating or there's some sort of weirdness around here, yeah. So I think they closed it up with thread lock, which seems to be the MO here because I also see that kind of action over here. So Bush League repairs in the past, whoever did that. Oh yeah, so yeah, it was leaking at the top valve because also the gasket's gone. So pretty clear indication of just nothing being done in years. Look at the back flushing's not been done. So, and this is a nice screen here. It's an expensive screen. So I'm gonna try cleaning that too, because it'd be a shame, but I can tell you from experience, it's gonna be very hard to get it all clean. But I'll give it a shot anyways. Okay, look, this is just filthy in here. And the sonic cleaner only did so much. So I gotta come in here and get a great cleaning going here. The best cleaning this thing's ever gonna get. Look at that, we can get to the brass. Okay. We got a lot of work done on this bad boy, and I'm pretty happy about it. We were getting pretty poor flow from the pump, so we rebuilt it, and I rebuilt and restored the expansion valve, or the flow valve here, overpressure valve, whatever you want to call this valve here. Got a little bit of a leaky there. I'm gonna have to deal with that problem. Maybe it's not a leak, just water. Yeah, just residual water there. We're getting a full 9 bar from the group head here. Getting a very nice flow from the group head. Oh yeah. It's quite lovely. Okay, yeah, this guy's pretty much done. We're just gonna do some extra testing. The insulation, yeah, I mean, gosh, that's great. This new silicone backed fiberglass is outstanding. This is a modification I like to do. I get these Olka elbows here and just go ahead and put one on a barb here, on a barbed vacuum valve. This way we don't have any sort of moisture inside the area where, you know, we can get corrosion and such. I mean, that's what we see here. Okay, she's ready to go. She's doing excellent. As you can see, no more leak at the group head. This is not jiggling anymore. We get hot water. Once again, beautiful, new beautiful LED that clicks on when it's heating. It's not heating at the moment. Let's get it to trigger. There we go. Holding pressure very well. Holding heat in very well, probably due to that nice insulation. Let's go ahead and run a shot. Which I've yet to even drink anything this morning. So I'm quite excited to get something drank. So I'm getting the jitters. So let's go ahead and make our shot. We got 19 grams in this basket. Although it probably looks like it'll probably take more than that. So we'll run a couple shots to see how it goes. That looks decent. Nice. Cool. Super happy with this repair. Took us all day yesterday, but it's well worth the wait because we make sure these units are working to the best of their abilities. If you guys want to see some more, give me a holler. If there's anything you want me to perform or give you a tutorial on, drop me a line. Till next time, be cool, stay hip, get yourself a hobby. God bless.